Alright guys, so on this 2015 Mazda 3 hatchback, we're going to be replacing the license plate lights. We already got... Okay guys, so pretty much all you're going to do is put it in, okay, line it up, making sure it's flat in there, and pull outwards, okay? You want to push it this way and to pop it out, and then from there carefully remove it. Okay, put that on the side. That's the eBay one. Since we had it on, make sure you use a glove or something because it might be hot and you don't want to burn yourself, okay? So, pop it out. Put it on the side. Get your T10, okay? Alright, should be in. Light it up, please. And there you go. Pretty much at this point, just put your cap back on. Alright, and you're done. That concludes the installation. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. We're more than happy to answer them. And thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.